Hello everyone, welcome back to Spyro Tech 365. Today, I am going to discuss how to offset layers by Dojo Shifter easily in After Effects. You can download this free plugin by searching it from online. First of all, you have to select all the layers, then you have put the offset value. Here I put 3. Then if you click stagger button, the layers will be offset by 3 frames from each. If you put 4 value in offset option, the layers will be offset by 4 frames from each. Here, how you select the layer is important. Just follow the steps with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.